हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैंने अपना नया गाड़ी लिया है जो मेरा ड्रीम कार है और विच इज़ Hyundai Creta, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द परफेक्ट SUV एंड टॉप वेरिएंट। और इसके जो फीचर्स है क्या क्या है इसमें सारा मेरे हस्बैंड आपको बताएंगे। चलिए उनसे सुनते हैं।
Hi friends, it's my pleasure to come second time in my wife's channel. This is the SUV, compact SUV or an SUV you can say, Hyundai Creta, which was launched in 2020, and then there were certain changes and rebranded and came in 2021. So this is new Creta 2021, which has been brought by my wife. And this is one of the perfect SUV I can say in its segment and most running car in the market today. Everybody prefers Creta. You can see people are crazy about this car in the market. So just to give you a brief about this car before taking you to all the features and all, the first thing I'll come to the price. This is the top variant SX OIVT in the market, petrol variant, which is the top variant in the market, fully automatic car. And the price of this car ex showroom is around 16 lakh to 16 and a half to 17 lakhs, and on road with road tax and insurance it comes to somewhere around 22, around 21 and a half to 22. Yeah, the second most important feature is the CC. This is around 1497 cc, where the fuel capacity tank is around 50 liter. This is 6-speed IVT automatic 1.5 liter engine. This has a lot of features which generally you get in top end cars like BMW or an Audi and all. This car has all the features, you name it. And the length of the car is around 4300 mm, width of the car is around 1790 mm, height of the car is around 1635 mm. And the boot space, which is most important part of any of the car, because when you travel, where is your luggages, where do you keep your essentials and all, the boot space is around 433 liters of this car. And the wheelbase, when I talk about the wheel, this has got the entire alloy wheels, diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see the base of the wheel is around 2610 mm. That's the size of the wheel, and all four are an alloy wheel, diamond cut alloy wheel, which is first in this segment, and one it looks very beautiful and great actually. Now if I come up to a variance, this has got ES, SX, EX and SXO IVT, both comprising of petrol and diesel. So first I will take you through its key. Again, this is one of the sleek and trim key which Hyundai has come up with its variant. Earlier you would have seen they come up with heavy one with 3 buttons. So right now they have changed it and brought it into a 4 buttons, where the first one is a lock, second one is unlock, third one is dicky, boot space. So without opening your car you can always look at the boot space of the car. And fourth is the hold option, where you can, if you have parked your vehicle in any of the parking, any mall, you press this, your car will indicate you where are you available, and you can find out your car easily. So the key of the car which has been made is very good and beautiful. Now the most important part is the front grille of the car. If you see this grille, what they have given a chrome finish entirely. It's a chrome finish car which they have given here. The grills, it looks beautiful in a white color, and that gives the elegant look of the car actually. Yeah, you can see the look of the car. Now coming here, they have given a trio headlight. This is known as a trio headlight. These two are normal and this is in high beam, and this is the LED variant which they have given. From here, this and this, I will obviously show you when once I drive the car and light the car. This is the LED variant, and then you can see here they have given a fog lamp here. You can put a fog lamp here, which looks very great. This is the thing you can see. And obviously I have got the chroming dar in the car, where you can see this is the chrome which I have put separately, which actually gives an elegant look of the car. This is a chrome, and then this is the chrome which is available in the market. Either you can go for Hyundai genuine parts or any foreign brands depending on your budget. So this is the chrome which I have put it in the light, which gives a unique look of the car. And then you can have the chroming done on your fog lamp also, which looks great here if you see. So this comes in both the sides. Now the next option which I have done the chroming is on the mirror. If you can see, this is the mirror. So you will have different options of chroming, either the full one or the half one. So I have done here this portion. I have not done the entire one because it doesn't look good. So I have done the chroming here, which gives a elegant look of the car. And then on the door also I have done a chrome here. You can see these are the options where it goes till the end, and you find a Creta beige here written, where it's a Creta. This looks beautiful, steel chroming in the car. So that's the features and the things which I have got it done. And this bidding is there in both the doors, you can see. And at the back, what chrome I have done is here in the light. If you can see, this comes as a single piece. You can do a chrome here, and it gives an elegant look. Again, this is a trio headlight, and all this comes from a company. So since it's a top variant, obviously if you take a base variant, you will have to install it or put it and all. But since it's a top variant, trio headlight comes from a company with this LED beige. And then on this I have done this this silver chroming. And then below, parking lights, I have done a silver chroming here also. It looks beautiful and gives an elegant look of the car when you drive it. And then I have in my boot space also I have done my chroming. So you can see from behind how the car looks. It's beautiful with chromes and all. Now guys, I will show my boot space, which obviously you can have a look. If you open the car, you can see this is the boot space. What you have, ample space which you have in the car. You can keep your suitcase, sufficient amount of luggage space is available. And the best part of this is you will have a light here at night time, so that you can look at this thing. And the most important part of this car is they have given a Bose speaker, Bose music system and speaker, which is one of the best in its segment right now. So what they have done is they have given 4 speakers in 4 doors. They have given 2 tweeter in the front door, which I will show you. And the most important part is ये लोगों ने ऊफर दिया है जो डिक्की में आपका इनबिल्ट है. This is the woofer which is inbuilt in the car, which most of the car doesn't have, and फिर आपको बाहर से डालना पड़ता है, और आप बाहर से डालोगे फिर आपका बूट स्पेस कम हो जाएगा एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. आपको बोला है ट्रियो लाइट्स, जस्ट सी दिस लाइट्स, इट गिव्स यू एलिगेंट लुक. देखिए कैसे ये जा रहा है. सिंस इट इज़ इन पार्किंग राइट नाउ, इट इज़ शोइंग लाइक दिस. जब वो रात हो जाएगा, जब हम चलाएंगे ना, इट विल बी ए कॉन्स्टेंट लाइन. सिंस इट इज़ राइट नाउ इन पार्किंग, the lights, you can see how it is showing. That gives an elegant look of the car when you drive at night or in a daytime, because आप जब दिन में चलाएंगे वो थोड़ा ग्लो करता है. Now I have come inside, where I will show you the inside option of the car. So this entirely comes as a digital option, जहाँ पे आपका गाड़ी का डोर ओपन है तो वो दिखाएगा. Any part of door, if it is open, it's a digital. Now as soon as I switch on the car, you will see the difference here. See, so this is right now in a comfort mode, hence it is showing this. Now there is a button which I will show you what happens. So in comfort it will become a blue color light in the dashboard. Now there is an option called drive and traction. This is there only in automatic cars. Hyundai automatic drive and traction. As soon as you press it, you will see here comes the comfort. Then you can change it, whether you are driving it in snow or mud or sand. It depends on that. And now when you go to comfort, you have an eco. You see suddenly it becomes green, and then you have a sport option. You click on sport, it becomes sport, which is in first time in its segment. And in sports variant, you can drive faster you want. So these are the things which you have. So generally in city you can drive it in comfort, which generally is the ideal option in the car which you have. You can see it gives you a petrol mileage here, which shows 399 kilometer on the whatever the petrol I have and how much kilometers I have driven, and all those things are there in this. It's very good variant what you have. Now next is in the car what I will show you. This is given a 4 power window. This is for the driver side, this is for the front side passenger, and these two are rear. And this is a full lock car, and this is an unlock. This is basically to adjust your both the mirrors, and this is the side where you do adjustment and all. So a lot of things are there, and this is the fully lock option available. You have a bottle space at down. The car has been beautifully. Now the most important part is the music system. This is an inbuilt music system which has come from the Hyundai, and it comes only for a top variant. It is 10.25 inch LED screen. This is one of the most overwhelming and one of the most important part of the car, because if you can't listen to music, you can't drive. So this is what has been given from the brand actually. And there are a lot of options. So you have a media option where you can play your Bluetooth connectivity. Then you have a radio option. So in radio option you have different FM channels which you can bring. And then once you go to setup, you have a lot of options. If you have a Apple this thing, you can connect your phone, navigation, sound, vehicle. So I will show in my next video how can you set up all those things and what all you can do. How to find a map in this, lot of things that I will bring into you in my next video. Now coming to the next option, you see here is an AC vent which has been given. These are the things. There is an auto air control or AC control switch which it is there. Now the most important part is which I don't know if you people like it or not, but I have always seen that any car, the looks which gives is the dashboard and the this portion what you have. So I like it. This is the portion which generally you will see in lot of the top variant car where you have a button here. Generally this option you see in a BMW or an Audi. Today it is available in Hyundai Creta, which is more affordable by Indian market and people. And then since it is automatic, you have a parking, you have rear, you have neutral, and you have drive. And this is the option where when you are in a highway and in a speed of 60, 70, 80, and then you wanted to bring into a pedal shifter where you wanted to cross any car, and then you wanted to put it in a gear and which you wanted to put, then you can bring it into an S option, and then you have a pedal shifter here. You can see here one of this and one of this. So this basically once you put, this goes into a gear option, automatic, second, third, fourth. So this is plus, this is minus, reducing the gear. These are the options, which two options are. So you can see here this is one of the best. And the most important part here what I liked is generally you see a handbrake here which people has to pull, but this is only a button here. This is an handbrake actually, and this is an auto hold where when you are going in a high race or into some hilly station and all, you can use this. Now the most important option is the passenger seat in front and the driver seat is well ventilated seat. So once you put this, you can see. So generally what happen, आप गर्मी के सीज़न में देखेंगे, आप जब सिटी में गाड़ी चलाएंगे, हो सकता है आपका पीछे से पीठ में या पैंट नीचे से थोड़ा पसीना टाइप हो जाता है, even though you run in AC. So once you put it, you can see this is there, that lights चल रहा है इधर. So वो क्या है, आपको सीट से हवा निकलता है ताकि आपको पसीना ना आए एंड ऑल. सो दिस इज नोन एज ए वेंटिलेटेड सीट. सो ये अभी फुल पे है, आप एक दबाएंगे तो दो होगा, देन और एक होगा और एक होगा. इवन दिस इज देयर इन ए पैसेंजर सीट ऑल्सो अवेलेबल, विच इज most important, and in today's scenario this is needed, the kind of weather changes which we see in the city. This is one of the most important variant which Hyundai had thought for its passengers and bought in. And then I have something here called an air purifier. So even this is first in segment, where you will see there is a air purifier in the car given, and it shows you the what is the air quality condition inside the car and all. So this also gives you a good option availability in the market. And the next thing which I wanted to bring about Hyundai is basically the leather seat, the kind of seat and the finishing what they have given. This is a leather seat which is from Hyundai directly, and it comes only for the top variant, and you see the finishing here, which is very good and it looks great. Yeah, and all entire driver seat, front seat and back seat, all is given as a leather seat. And as I was talking about the speaker, so these are the speakers you can see. This is a Bose speaker which is available in both the front doors and at the back door. So 4 doors, there are 4 Bose speakers, and then there is a tweeter here. You can see this is the tweeter given, and one more speaker they have given, which I forgot to tell you, which is here in the dashboard. So this is, so there are around 4 and 5 speakers, 2 tweeter and 1 woofer at the back, which I think I am very happy the kind of quality which they have maintained and all. And now coming to the next option is the airbag. So there are totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 airbags in the car, 2 in the dashboard, 1 at the passenger side, 1 at the driver side. There are 2 in the doors, which is 1 in the passenger side door and 1 in the driver side door. And then seats, in both the seats there is a airbags available generally. Next inside the car is this sunglass holder, which also comes from the company. Then you have a light, you have a beautiful light. This, once you press it, it comes to the entire option, and this is an automatic option in the car. So you have entire car lighted with a white light. अच्छा, now अभी तो हमने आपको मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दिखाया ही नहीं है, जो टॉप वेरिएंट्स में आता है और उससे एक नीचे वाले वेरिएंट में आता है, विच इज़ एन ओपन सनरूफ. सो इसको आप बोल सकते हो पैनोरामिक व्यू. अगेन दिस इज़ फर्स्ट इन दिस सेगमेंट, बिकॉज वो किसी भी कार पे पैनोरामिक व्यू दिया नहीं है. इसका जो कॉम्पिटिटर मैंने मार्केट पे दिखा है, पैनोरामिक व्यू खाली क्रेटा में ही है, एंड टॉप वेरिएंट और उसके एक नीचे के वेरिएंट में ही ये ऑप्शन है, वेयर इफ यू प्रेस दिस बटन, वन प्रेस, यू सी दिस इज ओपनिंग. So this is known as an panoramic view, and then your ऊपर का जो ग्लास है वो खुल जाता है, so that which I think in today lot of people expect this, and this also comes generally in a top variant cars or Hyundai, BMW and on. लेकिन आज you can see today it is in Creta, and then again you can close it. Only it will close, so you can only close the glass and drive the car. आपको ऊपर का ये ऑटोमेटिक, या फिर आपको खाली वो क्लोज करना है, आप वो भी कर सकते हो, ओपन कर सकते हो. ओनली ग्लास विल रिमेन ओपन, दिस विल ओपन. ठीक है, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शन टुडे अवेलेबल इन द कार. बोल रहा था ना लेदराइट सीट, देखिए बाहर से ये कैसे दिखता है, ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स अ वेज एंड ब्लैक कलर विच लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Black color, and most important thing is here brand name. All these are company. I have not done anything inside, any alteration. This is a cup holder which they have given. They have also given a AC vent for the rear people, and then you have a charger and you have a mobile holder. ये भी दिया है. So Hyundai has actually kept their words, and this is worth of money. एंड जो मैंने आपको बोस का स्पीकर दिखा रहा था पीछे है, ये देखिए ऊपर आपका लाइट भी है, ताकि पीछे रीडिंग लाइट लोगों को प्रॉब्लम ना हो. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ ये जो सीट है, दिस बिहाइंड सीट इज़ 80-20 स्प्लिट. अभी अगर किसी को सामने आके बैठना है, दे कैन एक्चुअली सिट लाइक दिस, एंड देन और किसी को एकदम पीछे जाना है, दे कैन गो दैट ऑल्सो. So it's a 80-20 split seat which is also available, which is in today's scenario most important thing for the car. और एक चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, which is first in this segment and very interesting part is the driver seat, which is electrically controlled. If you see, प्रेस दिस इट गोज बैक. सो पहले आप देखते थे वो नीचे एक बेल्ट आता था, उसको दबाओ आगे जाओ. नो, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट योर सीट एज यू वांट. दिस इज़ द इलेक्ट्रिकल एडजस्टमेंट. ये ऊपर नीचे करने के लिए हाइट एंड ये आगे पीछे करने के लिए. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़. जनरली आप जब कार चलाते हो, इट डिपेंड्स दैट आपका जो ये पार्ट है आपके थाइस को कैसा रिलैक्स करता है. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जहाँ पे आपका थाइस सपोर्ट देता है. एंड देन यू कैन ड्राइव योर कार रिलैक्स, जहाँ पे आपका लेग में पेन नहीं होगा. एंड सिंस इट्स फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक, दिस डजंट हैव ए क्लच, दिस इज ओनली ब्रेक एंड एक्सेलेरेटर. This is one of the again best options which Hyundai has brought in this price segment. I think you should try this car. This is one of the best what I felt is. And और एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ आपको which has come inbuilt, which generally comes in lot of the high variant cars or Honda has this thing is, आप जब पीछे बैठते हो बहुत लोग होता है कि privacy maintain करना है and all, so you have a curtains here to hold it, जो बाहर से दिखेगा. ये भी फर्स्ट इन सेगमेंट है, जो बहुत सारे गाड़ियों में ये है नहीं है. मेरे को आप ये खोल सकते हैं, विच लुक्स गुड. इट हैज़ कम फ्रॉम द कंपनी फॉर द रियर. और कपल ऑफ फीचर्स विच आर देयर इन द कार जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. जैसे आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो, आपको देखना है व्हाट इज़ दी which directions you are going, it comes there. ये आप प्रेस करोगे तो इसमें पता चलेगा. then if you want to show drive to display, वो आप ड्राइव करोगे तभी आपको टायर प्रेशर दिखेगा कि चारों तरफ कितना प्रेशर है गाड़ी में. what is the economy of the car, and lot of things, options are available. इधर आप अपना वॉल्यूम बढ़ा सकते हो, इधर आप अपना चैनल चेंज कर सकते हो. सिंस दिस इज ऑडियो, यू कैन कनेक्ट इट एंड योर फोन रिसीविंग, फोन डिस्कनेक्ट. एंड अभी और एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है पता है, व्हाट इज़ द थिंग इज़, आपका म्यूज़िक बज रहा है एंड देन यू वांटेड टू डू समथिंग. सो व्हाट इट इज़, दिस फीचर ऑफ द कार, वेदर इट इज़ विंडो डाउन, और आपका जो पैनोरामिक व्यू ओपन करना है या मिरर ओपन करना है या टेम्परेचर कम करना है या ज़्यादा करना है एसी, यू नीड नॉट टू डू इट मैनुअली. यू हैव ए ऑप्शन हियर व्हेन यू प्रेस इट एंड से को क्या कर, तो आपको क्या करना होगा. दिस इज ए वॉइस वेयर इफ यू प्रेस इट,
हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू,
open the sunroof please.
opening the sunroof.
देखिए आपका सनरूफ ओपन हो गया. सो आपको कुछ बोलने का ज़रूरत नहीं. इट एक्ट्स ऑन योर वॉइस कमांड, विच इज़ अगेन ए ब्यूटिफुल फीचर. आप जब लॉन्ग ड्राइव में जा रहे हो, हाईवे में ड्राइव कर रहे हो, यू नीड नॉट टू मैनुअली ओपन क्लोज डू एनीथिंग. इट विल डू एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. अभी मैं फिर से दिखाता हूँ आपको. क्लोज द सनरूफ.
Closing the sunroof.
हाँ, तो आपके वॉइस में थोड़ा भी इधर उधर डिफरेंस है, दे कांट रिकॉग्नाइज इट, बट अब देखिए दे हैव क्लोज्ड इट, which is good. Everything you can command anything. I'll show you one more thing.
How can I help you?
Reduce the temperature please.
Decreasing temperature by 2 Celsius.
ये देखिए आपका AC टेम्परेचर डाउन हो गया. So everything feature is there in this. When you are driving, you can play music, you can find out your destination which you are going. You have to just press this voice command and tell them, and then this blue link will help you out with everything. It is one of the amazing feature which I have seen in the car in this segment and in this price. So I think you people should go for this car. This is one of the best in the segment, and and in terms of security and features generally. और एक चीज़ क्या है, आपका की अगर आपके कार पे नहीं है, you can't switch on the car, or even you can switch on but you can't drive the car, because that's one of the security feature which is there for this car. Now coming to the next option, which I will obviously show it in my next video, you can control your car from the mobile, because इस कार में SIM कार्ड लगा हुआ है, which is a company given SIM card and valid for 3 years. उसके बाद आपको उसको रिचार्ज करना होता है, बट which is one of the most amazing feature right now, जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा in my next video, जहाँ पे आप अपना अगर कार कहीं पे parked है and you are at your hometown and then you wanted to restart your car every 1 week once just to keep the engine and battery correct, you can do that from there wherever in the India you are sitting at, and the next option is say हम लोग अक्सर कहीं मीटिंग पे जाते हैं, गाड़ी रास्ते पे खड़े करके, या डिनर लंच पे जाते हैं रास्ते पे खड़े करके, जहाँ पे गाड़ी अंदर से हीट हो जाता है धूप से। तो आप अगर एक्सपेक्टेड हो कि चलो मेरा लंच हो गया या मेरा मीटिंग ओवर हो गया, विद इन नेक्स्ट 3 मिनट्स आई विल बी इन द कार, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप उधर ही बैठ के आपका मोबाइल से अपना गाड़ी चालू कर सकते हो और टेम्परेचर सेट कर सकते हो ताकि गाड़ी का अंदर कूल हो जाएगा, एंड देन यू कैन कम एंड सिट इन द कार। Trust me, this is one of the amazing feature which Hyundai has brought in through BlueLink, and I think I am happy with this car, this thing. There are a lot of other features which I have also not experienced, but yes, there are a couple of interesting features which I will bring into your next video. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks. Please subscribe my wife's channel and be with her. You will get lot of variance, either it is in the terms of car, whether it is term in the food or anything. मतलब आपको इस चैनल में सब कुछ मिलेगा, and lot of awareness also she is trying to bring into people. Thank you.